Welcome back everyone. Freaking out, the sun's bright. It's late on Sunday evening, it's like 8 o'clock, and I've finally got a chance to have a look at the Corsa and continue this back bumper business. So I'll show you that I've drove into my garage door. Just why not? So let's give you an update of where we're at the moment. So we have a peanut butter on this left hand side, which looks the best by far. In the middle you have the jelly, and then you have the WD, which I think is even more off already. Yeah, there's like no difference at all. So WD is no good, not for long term anyway, but peanut butter and jelly is not bad, but peanut butter I think is the best. So we're going to try heat and engine oil. So I'm going to set ourselves up like last time. I'm going to tape a bit off for heat and tape a bit off for engine oil, and we'll see how we look. So I'm going to grab the bits and we'll see how we get on. My bench is really messy. Don't let James from Savage Garage see it, because he'll probably have something to say about the state of my garage at the moment and how messy it is. For those of you watching who haven't seen Savage Garage, and his Corsa build is Focus, his Fiesta, the Mini, Trike, whatever else he's been working on, go and check out his channel and put a comment and say Bluudys sent him. Bluudys sent you. Yeah, do that. Anyway, right, hot air gun. So, we need this bad boy. So we have a hot air gun. We need an extension lead. And then a chair, because I'm getting old on my joints hurt. I'm getting so old. And some engine oil and a rag. Still currently setting up. If you haven't checked out my Instagram, look for Bluudys Garage on Instagram. And if you have Snapchat, search for me. Bluudy. I'm just Bluudy on Snapchat. There's some like links and stuff at the start and in my description. I don't know. Heat gun. I just need to sort out my bumper now, so let's show you the bumper. I'll show you this side. What we'll do is we'll tape off some more, and we'll put heat. Now I'll tape off another side, this side, and put oil. Can't see it at the moment on the camera, but yeah. We have a heat and an oil. So I'll plug in my heat gun. What this is supposed to do is heat up the plastic and bring out the natural oils that are inside the plastic. Don't know how long it takes, don't know how hot it needs to be. I'm just going to give it a go. I think my heat gun's like 400 degrees. But look at that! Right, that worked wonders. Come on, I want my fast setting. Can you see that on camera?
It started to fall, and where were you? How could I know you were falling?
Wow.
Cutting my skin, but it's hard because
Got a new winner there.
tell me why I'm falling.
This front edge is going to be quite hot. I don't want to burn it.
It's hard because I'm falling.
That is really good. Who knew about the heat? I'm gobsmacked. Like, how does it stay like that? That is amazing. Like, truly amazing. Wow. It's as dark as that. That has truly surprised me how good that is. Right. I'm gobsmacked with it. Absolutely gobsmacked. It's a bit hot though. Right, so we'll best try the engine oil on the other side, won't we? So I'll move the camera around. So I've just got some new engine oil that I've not used before. I'm going to pour it onto this rag. Like so. And rub it in. And it makes it look good straight away, but how long does it actually last? I don't know. Or is it going to be just like WD and just come off straight away? See, it's not mega shiny. It is dark, don't get me wrong, but it's quite dull. I think I need to get a camera now and show you all. So we have engine oil, WD-40, Vaseline, peanut butter, which still surprised me of how good that is, heat, and what it looked like originally. By far, well, from here, the oil looks the best, but I don't think the oil will last. But it does look good. The heat is obviously second best, but I think the heat's the one I'm probably going to go with. It's really, really good, that. I'm going to go and do around the rest of the corner on there, do all that with heat and see what it looks like.
Help me find the right words to say to get us back on our way. Can we try to fight against the grain of throwing?
Just look at the difference. It's like new, that side. So you can see the bit where we've been experimenting all across there. Look at that side. I can't believe the difference. So now we've done that corner, I think we're going to continue with the heat and do all the rest and pull all these off because they're not as good. Look at that. Because they're not as good. I don't quite know how that's possible, but apparently I've left the word peanut in the bumper. And I've left the word Vaseline in the bumper. Can you see it? So it's probably going to have WD-40 there too. Yeah, we have. Well, that one's new, so that's not really going to count. It is engine oil. Might say, yeah, look, it says oil. Quite clear as day. So then this one should say heat. Yup. I hope I can get this out with the heat. But that's the difference. Look at the difference. Look at that. It's like night and day, literally. Leaving tape on the bumper for a couple of days wasn't a good idea. Now the glue's left marks. Oh dear. See, it's all done now. Looks like new-ish. Yeah, it looks pretty good. So I know you guys in the last video I asked you to choose between jelly, peanut and WD. Well, WD was crap, so it's a good job you didn't choose that. What I've done is I've ended up using heat, which a lot of you have suggested, as you've seen, and then I've topped it off with jelly, so that's give it the shine. So it's black because of the heat, but it's shiny because of the jelly. I just got to do the rest of the car now. While I've got you all here watching this video, I'll let you know that I've got some brand new Bluudys Garage stickers, as in absolutely brand new. They're in the shop. We have red, blue, white, copper and gold. So pick a colour that matches, pick a colour that you want. We will get some of the colours in stock later down the line. They are £2 delivered for 2, and you can grab them at bluudysgarage.com. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have any suggestions of what to do in the next video or in any of the videos coming up, leave a comment below. Any mods that are cheap, leave that comment as well and I'll have a look. I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace.